Hey y'all, it's Terry. I am trying to get this camera angle together. I have an unboxing. So, I know I haven't been on YouTube or anywhere for a while, but what I have been doing is crafting. And, as y'all will know, the name of my business is Something Crafty. And, yes, I'm doing something new. So, if you bear with me for just a few minutes while I get this box, we're going to do a little unboxing today. Alright, y'all. Let's see if we can get some light. Alright, so, y'all, looking for my box cover. Okay, so, this was not a prepared video, so I'm looking very unprepared right now. So if you're new here, hello, and if you're not, then welcome back. If you decide to view this video, that would be great. So I'm just opening it up here. Now, of course, this video is not sponsored. I don't have that many people on my channel to get sponsored. So, all right. Let's move the foam. Let me see. Maybe I should move it up back a little bit. Or up. User manual, cord, and you know what? I'm going to put this on the floor. Sorry, y'all. Ooh. I'm glad my hand wasn't right there. Wow. Let's see. Okay, guess it goes this way. Or does it not go that way? What is going on with it today? And something like that. Something like that. That was a chore, okay? That was a chore, let me tell you. So what is this here, you ask? Well, let me tell you. This, my friends, is a hat press. Yes. This is a hat press. I actually got this off Amazon. I was gonna get one of the, you know, like a Cricut hat press. And I figured if I'm gonna spend that much money for a Cricut hat press and still be awkward with that ball thing in the middle, I might as well get a real actual hat press. Save myself some energy, time, and money. So, because I know me, eventually I'll end up getting one anyway. So, this is another piece that comes with it. I believe it's a bigger size than the one that's in there. And I haven't opened this. This is the first time I've opened it. So, I really don't know how to work it or anything. That video will be coming up next. But yeah, it's a hat press to go with these hats. And I can't wait to show you guys what I'm going to do with this hat. Yeah, so stay tuned for that. But I will come back with another video as soon as I figure this out, read the instructions, and learn a little bit more about it, because right now I am brand new. I don't even know how to open this thing up. It might be, I think it's automatic or electric. But yeah, this is it, y'all. I got this off Amazon, and it's about $100 and something, I believe. So, and that's it for this video. I just wanted to come on and share with y'all this unboxing of this hat press. I will be coming on with a tutorial on how to use it once I figure it out for myself, because I don't want to look stupid, okay? All right, y'all have a good day. And if nobody's told you, I love you and there's nothing you can do about it. Bye-bye.